Hey, what's going on, guys? Travis here with Lebanon Ford Performance, and today we are going to be taking a look at the all-new Ford Performance and Whipple collaboration on the Gen 5X Supercharger system for 2021 and 2022 F-150s. So here we have the all-new Ford Performance and Whipple Gen 5X Supercharger system, and to my left as well is the Roush Supercharger system for 2021 and 22 F-150s. I have the Roush here to compare size, and stay tuned for the next video where I'll actually compare the two and see some pros and cons differences between each of them. So this Ford Performance and Whipple Supercharger system is the Gen 5X, which is a little bit different than the previous Whipple Gen 5 systems. So exterior-wise, there isn't a whole lot different here on the 5X versus the Gen 5, but this one actually has a larger front inlet, a larger housing, and a different pulley design. This one produces 700 crank horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque with their inverted design, so your intercooler system will actually be on top here, with the rotors underneath that. This is a proven design through Whipple now. They've been doing this since 2018 and they produce big power, but they also are extremely reliable and proven on the track as well as just a daily driver with a little bit more horsepower. So this larger size design will increase your coolant capacity as well as air intake to produce more power and to make sure that your charge temps stay cool and there's no overheating issues when you're out on a hot summer day going for a cruise. The Ford Performance system as well is backed by a Ford Performance parts warranty through Ford Performance calibration on Whipple's Tomahawk device. This is all exclusive to Ford Performance parts. It has gone through rigorous testing to meet every one of Ford's exceeded expectations. And since this one is a Ford Performance warranty, all of our out-of-state buyers don't have to worry about taking it to a specific dealership. You can take this to any Ford dealer for any sort of warranty claim, service, or anything like that. So if you are one of our customers that like to add additional modifications and go for a big power build, something to take in note is that you must stay on the provided tuning to maintain the 3-year, 36,000 mile powertrain warranty. So if you do decide to go to a different tune to try and make a little more power, that will in fact void your powertrain warranty. So that is something that you definitely want to keep in mind if warranty is super important for you guys. So one main takeaway from the Ford Performance Whipple system here is that it is compatible to all F-150 models, even those with Pro Power on board. There is a separate kit for that, but they are the same exact price as this one here in front of me. And this will fit all 4x4 and 4x2 models for the all-new F-150. So if you do decide to purchase one of these Ford Performance and Whipple Superchargers from us, the cost is installed, and that will be backed by their 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty through Ford Performance parts, and that has to be installed by an ASE certified technician or one of our Ford technicians here to maintain that warranty. If you guys want some more information on getting this installed on your F-150 or purchasing a truck with us and getting this installed, give us a call at 513-932-1010 or visit us at LebanonFordPerformance.com. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to see our newest video, go ahead and click here. If you want to see our playlist of all of our Lebanon Ford Performance parts videos, go ahead and click here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, buddy. How's the hair look now? Perfect.